So I honestly don't know why it keeps happening. I keep losing footage. I don't know if it's the camera or the cards that are old, but you guys didn't really miss much. The whole beginning is just me cutting the crown molding, not this piece exactly. This is the incorrect one. It's this one that I cut, but it's a different style than this one. But I'm basically just going to kind of show you what I did and kind of glue it up and stuff. That way you guys can at least see that footage. But that's exactly what I did to make the frame on that one. So you're going to see that now. So look at the crown molding. 45 degrees. And then what we're doing, we're basically putting that up on the fence. This one doesn't really work too well because it's more, see how these lines are. It's going to be a little bit different on the other one because it's bigger. But see how angled this is? You just got to make sure it's sitting flush on that and flush at the bottom. And then that's your angle. And then you just cut 45 degrees on that. So it's there. And there's jigs, but I mean I never use jigs for this part. So 45. And then I do another 45, basically rotated. Cut this piece. And you get this perfect miter cut. And then what I do is then I flip it the other way. Another 45. Do the same cut on this side. And then after that, flip it back over the other way, another 45-degree cut. And then you end up with you basically end up with this shape, which is see, hopefully you can see that, but see how it's almost like a perfect seam. So that's basically how you get the floating shelf frame, the one that I did with the other one. Again, I don't know what's wrong with my cameras. Hopefully this is recording, but that's pretty much it. After that, just use some glue. I use glue, and I also use the nail gun, the brad nailer, to put these together. So I'll put glue. Hopefully you can see this. I'll put glue, and then with the brad nailer, I'll usually nail on the thicker parts, like down here. I'll nail down here on the bottom. Sometimes here, sometimes here. So just depends. But yeah, so that's how you do the concealed frame, the crown molding cuts. You put them where they're perfectly flat along the fence in the bottom of the miter, and then you just cut them at a 45-degree angle on each side. And you got to make sure you have them correctly. If you know, sometimes this is technically the bottom of the crown molding, so you want to make sure it's the correct orientation also, as far as where your bottom is going to be before you do the 45-degree cuts. So anyways, that's it. Thank you. Watch the rest of the video. Sure.